Grabe pala yung Siya. Parang galing pa na kumanta ng kapatid ko. Sino mo? Galing. Galing. Pwede naman ligaw ng babae to! Uy, ang lamig. Ang lamig.
Naka-on ba yung aircon? Naka-on ba yung
Ang lamig. Grabe. Ay, my God! Ay, pwede naman ligaw ng babae to! Ang galing pumamat si Ro.
It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were moments that went through again, but they always seemed right. There were nights
Ano tayo dyan? Toxology?
wanted all your lost love. Baby, 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 if I could you. Yun lang aking
Ang problema ng kapatid ko.
ilang araw
Kanina ba nagre-relax eh? Nikki, ano kayo pinagdadaanan niyo? Ano pinagdadaanan niyo? Kanina pa nagre-relapse, oh? Jambi, kanina pa nagre-relapse. Oh? Itang nabaliw. May problema ng kapatid ko. Parang ayaw na niya ng lalaki, gusto na niya ng babae. Oh?
At kahit
Uy, grabe. Yung grabe. Ano? Ano?
wala na.
Ay, sorry.